Hello everyone, this is Naitik and today we are going to make a web scraper. So first of all we have to install some modules, which is request module and beautiful soup 4. So actually we are going to extract links from a website. So the first web scraper program will be to extract links from a website, all the links. So open a terminal and just hit pip3 install request. So you can see requirement already satisfied. So pip3 install bs4, which means beautiful soup 4. Okay, so requirement already satisfied, so I will import request, and from bs4 I am going to import beautiful soup. So now I'm going to define a function because I want everything to be managed, not so managed, because I'm not going to use up here. I hate object oriented programming. So we are going to pass URL. So the URL will basically be the website from which we are going to extract all the links. So URL, so now we are going to make an empty list equals to links, and the website will be equals to request.get, and we are going to get the URL, and now we are going to convert the website into text format. Okay, so website.text. So now soup equals to beautiful soup. Inside this we are going to pass website text. So now we are going to make for loop for link in soup.find all, and we are going to find all the anchor tags. Okay, so now we are going to append the href tag into the empty list. So links.append, so link.get, basically this links belongs to this. Okay, so get, so what we are going to get, we are going to get all the href tag. Okay, so href, so now we are going to call one more loop, so which will be link in links. Okay, so now we have appended all the href tag inside this empty list, so we are going to call the empty list and we are going to print lin. Okay, so now we are going to call our function and we are going to pass the website from which we want to extract all the links. Okay, so now I will give my own website link here. Okay, so https naitik.heroku.app.com. so now let's see, will this work or not. It's taking time, my Wi-Fi is not so fast. Okay, so now you can see here are all the links inside my website. So this is my GitHub link, this is my Facebook profile link, this is my Twitter profile link, and this is my Instagram profile link. So in this way we can extract all the links from a website. So you can use this program to extract links from a website. So see, now I can't explain you all the things. Okay, but I can say you can use this program to do something evil. really something big. So I'm just giving you a hint. You have to use your own mind, own logic to be evil. And yeah, I'm always there to help you all. So just contact me in my Instagram or Facebook profile. Just message me. Okay, have a nice day.